Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today for the Creative Escapes September 2018 fully loaded kit unboxing. You do receive a list of all the items in your kit. You also receive a tips sheet for September for the kit, and also a design team members YouTube channels for inspiration on previous unboxing and projects. So let's go ahead and get started. This month's theme is fall and autumn, some beautiful fall colors. So we'll go ahead and get started with the paper first. Okay, you will get 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11, 110-pound white cardstock, and it is alcohol friendly. It's so thick, you guys, I love it. And then 1 sheet of 8.5 by 11, 80-pound cardstock, 1 sheet of 8.5 by 11 pink cardstock, and 8.5 by 11 forest green. The next sheets measure 8.5 by 5, and you will receive the sea blue, dark navy, gray, light craft, and 1 sheet that's 8.5 by 6 of gold leaf embossed. Oh, I can't wait to work with this one. It's gorgeous. Next, you'll receive a 6 by 6 craft card and envelope. Very thick cardstock. And an A size 2 white card and envelope. So those are the papers in this kit. The next 2 items are the Echo Park Happy Camper Photopolymer Stamp Set. And this 6-inch embossing border die. And I'll show you a sample of. And you get a full-size Nouveau glitter drops, and the color is Gold Coast. Let's just go ahead and pull all these little goodies out. These are the 8 pink paisley Moonstruck stickers, and they're cork with foil. I've never seen these. These will be fun to work with. 1 Forest Moss Mini Ink Cube by Tim Holtz. I'll save the ribbons for later. A round wooden slab, and 2 wooden birds. One yard of white and black polka dot ribbon. You'll get 1.5 yards of the gold and navy ribbon. Then you'll receive 1 yard of the pink and white baker's twine, and also 1 yard of the brown and white baker's twine. Next, we're going to go ahead and move into the 18 sheets of 6 by 6 specialty paper from One Canoe 2, and this is the Seaside collection. And then I'll also open up the ephemera pack and give you a peek of that. So here's some cut aparts, and these are one-sided. Beautiful floral print. A night sky. I could see using this with some of the images from this stamp set. Here's the wooden slab. Another cut apart. Ooh, this would be a nice backdrop for some of the critters as well. Another camping type theme. Paddles. Florals. This will make a beautiful backdrop as well. Mountain scene with the camping thing in mind. Some sheets that you can use as a mat. I love working with corner pieces like this, so you can orient them in different positions with the border. One green tree background, a nice soft light pink, and then we're back to the beginning. So let's move on to the ephemera pack. There's 40 pieces in this pack. Let's see, we have, ooh, a photo frame. I could see one of the critters going on that, and you can use this as a little frame as well. Here's another one, stargazer. Some leaf images. And here are some take a hike. How cute for a sentiment. Little banners. Oh, I love that. A canoe. Explore. Here's another wooden slab. A thermos. Oh gosh, I could see one of the critters holding that, or holding the lantern. Here's another winter or wander adventure. I love these frames. Can't wait to work with those. We have a few tags with sentiments. Some floral pieces. Little banner. Another floral. Love the florals. And they're in those nice soft wintry colors or fall colors. Some more little banners. Little X's. Backpack. An acorn. Some hearts and petals. So that's the ephemera pack. Now if you are a subscriber to Creative Escape Papercrafting, you will receive the Vicki Boutin watercolor sticker sheets, and there's 32 in total, and I'm excited to use these with my Zig clean color markers. So that is the unboxing for the month of September from Creative Escape Papercrafting. I will leave a link down in the description box where you can purchase the kit, and stay tuned for projects coming soon using the September kit. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care.